Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and I am as always amazing. So guys, welcome back to another Design Unfold episode. So today we are going to unfold one of a creative and a amazing design of mine. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like. So my name is Yash and I am a graphic designer. So yeah, let's now move to my screen to learn how I designed that. So we are here at my screen, and yeah, you will be learning today this very amazing concept art. And yeah, it was for food industry. How did I did research for this one? You can check out the video. I will give the link in I button. And yeah, now let's start with the design. And first of all, let and yeah, first of all, it comes to the background. For the background, I tried different colors with different combinations, and finally settled for this one because food industry, it is between somewhere mixture of red and yellow are used much, and also the green and blue. So yeah, I settled for this one, not gone for a brown or black shade. And then I added a brush stroke, and just like this. Okay, this is changed. Soft round brush, and just increase the size, and just add. Okay, so I added this. Let me add here. Okay, changing the opacity, and just added, this is blue color, but I added a brown color and just decrease the opacity. And I think I have given some color overlay. Yeah, I have given it a darker shade, and just I reduce the opacity. It was somewhere like black, but I reduce it opacity to give a gradient effect. And then I added a, where is the phone? Okay, then okay, let's go by layer by layer. Then this is a brush stroke, and this is also a brush. You can just simply move your mouse and you can add a brush stroke like this. And then this is the table inside the phone. Basically, the phone's image is like, yeah, here I found the phone. Okay, let's remove all this stuff. And okay, 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 okay. So let's now start with the phone. So here was the phone. I just downloaded this image from Bing again, and then added a table here. Okay, to show a table effect. Then added a background and just masked it. Mask the background, and just added some gradient over the background, and added a logo here. And what's this? Okay, this is the shadow of the burger. Okay, then I added this burger, and here I added some shadow here, and give it a Gaussian blur and a color overlay. And just this is the think levels stuff I did on burger levels. I did it on phone, and might be on table also. No. Okay, so yeah, then I just was trying different 40% off stuff, but did not work. And just then I thought, how about writing grab it now? So I wrote it here and used ellipse tool to make this stuff, and just 40%, and just use the type tool, 40% off. And yeah, here we are ready with the design. And yeah, at the end it was looking very plain. So yeah, just tried different brush strokes and settled for this one. Tried in a different color also, but at the end I settled for this one. So yeah, that's it. And how did I give this effect? You can just simply use masking. You can disable and just select this portion and mask the layer. I've already told how you can mask. You can watch my previous Photoshop videos. And shadow part, phone part, yeah, that's it. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe also. And you can also follow me on different social media platforms below there, or the links are in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye guys.